everyone, we CITians are here to create an awareness on usage of plastics. Let's stop bagging our air and try to avoid single-use plastics. Let's hear from what others say. What are you waiting for?
The improperly disposed of food bags when eaten by animals cause stomach and intestine related disease which even lead to suffocation and death.
Some plastics are carcinogens as in case of diethyl hexyl phthalate DEHP, and some have the potential to cause endocrine disruption which may lead to cancer, birth defect, immunity system suppression and developmental issues in children.
Plastic debris is found absolutely everywhere, from the Arctic to the Antarctica. It clogs street drains in our cities, it litters campgrounds and national parks, and is even piling up on Mount Everest.
Plastic kills more than just it. In the last few months, the effect upon wildlife that come from eating or becoming entangled in the plastic debris have been reported more widely and more oftenly, which leads the public to just outright and protest.
When the polymer chain of BPA molecules break down an entire human body through contaminated water or fishes, it could lead to some fatal damage to our body. So why plastic? Think about it.
So, do you know that scientists recently discovered a plastic-eating bacterium called the Ideolus secanicis, which can degrade the plastic PET bottles into simpler compounds by releasing the PETase enzymes. So, this can be made into cheaper plastic products but not completely degrade them. When these chemical products and the genetically modified organisms, when they are released into the environment, they cause serious environmental problems which can be really threatening.
There are primarily three ways of managing the plastics. They are reduce, reuse and recycle.
That was a great throw here. Instead of using plastic bags, make use of paper or jute bags for carrying stuffs. Make use of metallic containers for storing food instead of plastic containers. If we follow this, then there would be no need for this.
We can use disregarded plastic water bottles and jars to store food items and to store water.
We could give out our old plastic chairs and bottles to recycle them and support the cause by using recycled items. We could also use recycled bags whenever it is possible. I think I don't need this.
Outright ban of plastic cans and plastic covers may not be the best solution for the environment, but encouragement and incentive to people who do so are important. So what are you waiting for? If you are fantastic, say no to plastic. Keep your city clean, go green.
We, the students of CIT, request you to avoid single-use plastics.
Avoid single-use plastic.
Avoid single-use plastic.
Avoid single-use plastics.
Avoid single-use plastics.
Avoid single-use plastics.
Avoid single-use plastics. Avoid single-use plastics.
Say no to single-use plastics.